This is a challenge where you can win $2,000 by eating food without making a sound. The first man in black confidently popped the food into his mouth, but unfortunately, he still made a sound. When it came to the next two men, their food was a single piece of candy, and they easily completed the challenge. But the fourth man got angry because his food was a firecracker, which made him feel unfairly treated. The next second, everyone else was immediately attacked by foam, and no one won the challenge.